Hello, my beautiful people. I'm Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I have done a makeup look for every beginner who wants to know how to do makeup stepwise. So, as the way it states, I have done it stepwise. And stay tuned for the video. And do let me know how did you like it, or you hated it, or you want to give some suggestion in the comment section below. So see you. So I'm gonna start the makeup by applying moisturizer. Hydration is the most important part. So it's a must to start the makeup with the moisturizer only. Next I'm taking a primer. I know a lot of you would be thinking primer is not very important. I was also there a few years back. Trust me, primer is also one of the most important part. It helps you fill your pores and helps your makeup stay longer. Without a primer, foundation would settle into pores of your face, making it cakey, streaky, and it won't last as long as you want. Primer would help you fill all the pores. And to add on, Nykaa Premier Primer is one of the most affordable and best primers in the market. Here we switch to foundation. Now I'm going to show you how to identify your shade. Take a little bit of foundation and swatch it on your jawline and check if it melts into your skin. I have taken a little more to add on and see it clearly melts into my skin. So yeah, this is my shade. Now you see there are different types of foundations in the market like dewy, matte, semi-dewy. It's just about the finish that the foundation gives you. Well, I'm using here the foundation that everyone chooses, Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It suits every skin tone, every kind of skin tone, believe me on that, and it gives a medium to full coverage. And you can easily build up the coverage if you want. We can apply foundation using a beauty blender or a flat kabuki brush. Always use the beauty blender damp. Also remember to push the product into your skin. You're not just supposed to pull it away or slide it away. You're supposed to press the product into your skin. Coming to concealer, I could suggest Maybelline Fit Me, Maybelline Age Rewind or Illegal Pro Conceal HD. They are one of the best concealers available in Indian market. And apply the concealer in your under eyes in a C shape and dab it with a beauty blender. I'm applying the concealer wherever I feel I have some blemishes or spots or pores maybe, or anything I feel like that should be concealed or hidden. Now coming to cream highlight, I'll use a lighter shade of Maybelline Fit Me concealer here to highlight my under eyes, bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, cupid's bow and my chin area. You should always highlight your the areas of your face where you think that light hits directly on your face. So that part gives you a subtle glow. Now to set all of these that we have applied and to avoid creasing, I am using a loose powder from Sugar Cosmetics. You can use a loose powder, compact powder, whatever you have with you. Anything would do. Coming to eyebrows, I'm going to fill my eyebrows with Arc Arrival Brow Definer by Sugar Cosmetics and brush it with a spoolie later on. It comes with a spoolie though. And again, when I'm in a hurry or even if I don't feel like searching for my brush and searching for my eyeshadow palette or eyebrow palette and doing my eyebrows all over again, I catch up with this pencil brush and I do it. Also, if you have fuller eyebrows, please brush it with a very light hand with your mascara. That would also do. You do not have to carry an eyebrow pencil with you because you're already blessed with fuller eyebrows. For eyeshadow as a beginner, you obviously cannot do it in a really fancy way or something like that. So we are going to keep it subtle and take a brown shade on your crease and blend it well. I've taken a new fluffy clean brush to blend out the edges of the brown shade, but if you want you can use the same brush also, but you need to blend out the brown shade outwards so it looks like a transition and your eyeshadow looks good. I also applied the dark brown shade on the outer V of my eyes. Taking copper shimmer from the same eyeshadow palette and applying it all over my eyelids. I've also taken some brown shade and applied it on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I am taking Gloss Boss from Sugar Cosmetics. You can take whatever you feel comfortable with and apply on your upper lash line and also lower lash line if you feel like. Be very slow when you start applying liner, or else if you don't feel comfortable either way, then you can draw a line first and then fill it in later. I'm taking Kajal by Plum and applying on my lower lash line, as you can see. So you could also apply it the same way, the way I'm doing it. First rule that everybody has to follow before applying mascara is curl your lashes. It's a must. To give a dramatic look, or if you want voluminous lashes without using falsies, I am using Maybelline mascara, Total Temptation, and you can use whatever you feel like. Coming to the contouring part, I'm going to take my go-to face palette by Sugar Cosmetics, and with an angular brush I'll sweep it backward and we'll keep blending. Just know that we have to start from our ears and then take it to the center of the eyeball if you're looking straight forward. Just remember to take very less product and try building it up all over again. Also, if you have a broad forehead, you can contour it too, and also if you have a little double chin like me, you can contour it again. I'm using blush from the same face palette that I had used for contouring, and you're gonna smile and place the product on the apple of your cheeks and blend it towards your ears, the way we did for contouring. Also, if you ever feel that you have applied a lot of blush or lot of contouring maybe, and you're not able to manage it or take it off, then take your damp blender and tap on it. That is it, and the excess products would come off. Going for highlighter, the best part and the one and only and the most gorgeous highlighter that you can find in Indian market is Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. You gotta apply it on your cheekbones and nose bridge, your brow bones, and you can apply it on your inner corners of your eyes too. So I like applying it with my hands except for my cheekbones. That also I could use my fingers. And for the nose bridge especially, I always use my hands. Coming to applying lipstick, I'm using Fury Berry by Sugar Cosmetics in the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick collection. You can use whatever you feel like. I feel that you should always apply lipstick in which you feel more confident, be it dark, light. I feel more confident in darker shades, so I use darker shades more often.